Siguro I need to record this kung ano ang workaround ko for using HTML. Mukhang at this point, bug siya, Hindi reported, bago lang. So I hope this will be fixed. Walang resolution, eh. Walang sagot, eh. Open pa siya. This is an old issue, 2020 pa. Well, let me see muna, So, but just in case lang, if you want to see how I will fix it, so choose the region, table. So this is the table. And then probably just edit that as HTML. I don't think you should do this, but worst scenario, just for anything urgent. Tapos in case wala kang matanungan, probably some people in your office, in the future, if you encounter such issues, but we'll still see, after this. So how I will do it, I'll edit this HTML. Okay. At this point, you need to understand a little bit of HTML. So siguro, tutukan mo na lang agad yung number 8, number 9, and number 10. So diyan mangyayari yan, right? So in HTML, dapat hindi mo ginagawa 'to, no? Kasi so in HTML, ang unang ano mo diyan, ang unang mong hahanapin is table row. So in HTML, that's a TR, no? That's a TR. So look for the number 8, or you will starting point mo, or 9, or kung saan ka magsa-start to insert. So kung etong 8 nandito, and 9 nandito, and 10 nandito, the 8 here, nakapasok siya sa isang table row. And the table row in HTML is the TR, no? So ihiwalay natin muna yan. I pasted it in a notepad para madali natin maintindihan. Kasi naka-wrap siya, no? Yan. So, number 8, nasa loob siya. The closest table row tag right immediately before it is actually this one. So, wag mong pansinin yung itong closing TR and yung isang TR pa sa taas. Ito yung table row ng 8, no? And TR, that's an opening tag. In HTML, opening tag yung ganito, no? Enclosed TR. And usually, ang table row, opening tag, that will be closed. Isasara to ng partner niyang table row na tag. So, just run that. Look for another TR. Right? The next instance. May napansin ka, at this point, may TR naman dito. But the difference is that bakit tong TR may slash? No? May slash. It means ito yung closing tag na table row na partner ng opening tag na table row. So, partner tong dalawang to. In short, this marks the start of the row, and this marks the end of this row. No? So, isang row to, itong naka-highlight. And if you notice, it starts again with another row, no? So, ibig sabihin, ihiwalay mo yan. Ganyan. So, in short, this is the table row for the 8th row. This is the table row for the 9th row. And probably it ends here. So, this part here will start a new table row, another row for 10. Okay. So, yan, no? So, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10 rows. So, iwalay din natin tong row ng 10 para maintindihan natin. So, it opens with table row tag. It closes with table row tag here. So, ibig sabihin, hiwalay mo yung body. So, the body is another part, no? Another part of this HTML. So, you now have 3 rows. Okay. So, in short, if you want to add something, anything in between, before or after, depende kung saan mo gustong ilagay. So, for example, we want to add 11. Just copy this, para hindi ka mahirapan, i-substitute mo na lang. So, probably this is the 11. Ito yung cell, table data. Ito yung cell, no? Kung sa Excel pa yan, ito yung cell, table data. That's the first cell sa row na to, no? In this case naman, it starts with TD, data naman, no? So, may tatlong may tatlong may tatlong cell sa loob ng row. The first cell, table data, open and closed din. So, kung gusto mo talaga maintindihan, iwalay natin yan, no? Yan. Just so, oh my God, how I wish na Drupal tayo. Anyway, it's here already, no? That is the project. Uh, you have three cells, one, two, and three cells, no? So, in short, kung gusto mo kinopya lang natin to, so you have an 11 here, just enter whatever value here. Value for 11, and another value for 11 dito, no? Something like that. So kung gusto mong i-insert, you want to insert somewhere, uh, ano bang gusto mo? Maglagay tayo ng 8, no? So, ibig sabihin, if you are inserting something here na 8, I don't know, does this mean before the 8 or after the 8? I don't know, let me know, no? Uh, ano ba to? Will the current 8 be the 7 now? No, wait. Will the current 8 will become the 9? Tama, no? And then this will now become 10, and so on and so forth, no? Let me know. So, lagyan ko lang ng question mark. So, you provide na lang. Okay, I put it there, I put it there. So, I'm not sure kung paano mo gagawin yan. Siguro if you need to insert here, insert there. You need to insert here, insert there. And I'm not sure what will happen to 9. So, probably 9 and 10 will become, mamumove yan, no? So, lagyan ko lang ng extra dito at the end din. So, you can just copy, paste, and move things around. Okay? At ibalik ko siya. Okay. Then I'll save it muna, ha? Okay. So, and then I'll send this over to you. Itong recording na to. Alright. Thanks. Don't worry. I still try to find solutions for this and test some more. Thank you.